Hello folks, this is Wes from B&B Audioconcepts, and today we are doing
Don't gotta care for me, don't gotta fall in love with me. Girl, just be there for me. The door, you don't need a key. Hop up in that Uber, yeah. Forget the one you came with, yeah. Good when the phone rings, destination's in the air. You know when you get there, you gon' have to stare, looking at the stars like we here. You gon' need some sorcery to hop out of that phantom, like a prodigy. I treat you like you're supposed to be, as long as you promise me to be the one I remember, see. All them girls just come and go, all over my heart, you know. You I wanna know for sure, you I wanna keep for sure. Girl, you already know I'm on fire, I'm on fire, I'm on fire. It's gonna be hard to extinguish me. I'm on fire, I'm on fire, I'm on fire. As I invade your privacy, you don't really gotta care. Girl, let's breathe two for that. Do something raw to share. Spend the whole week in here. We can have our own affair. Do this on the rocking chair. I could be your teddy bear. I'm already a millionaire. Fuck you till you get them out the man. Listen, warfare, I got the savoir-faire. You gon' need some sorcery to hop out of that phantom, like a prodigy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.